Website number 6 is Google AdSense. And when it comes to legit ways to make money with Google, their AdSense program is without a doubt the best option. So, if you have a blog, you have a website of some sort, or even with your YouTube channel, you can put ads on it with Google AdSense. It's pretty simple to use this website to make money. What you'll do is you add a pre-made code onto your website, and you'll have ads appear that make you money. The more visitors you get, the more money you earn online with Google AdSense. You'll be paid every month or monthly. However, you can make $100 every single day on your Google AdSense account with your website, with your YouTube channel, with your blog, or anything like that. The great thing about this website is as your audience grows, your revenue grows. So, that $100 has got the potential of growing into more money on a single basis. Website number 5 is Etsy. Etsy is a popular online marketplace where people buy and sell unique, handmade, and vintage items. If you have crafting skills or create digital products like printables or artwork, you can open an Etsy shop and start selling your creations. Etsy provides a platform to showcase your products to a large audience, and if your items resonate with customers, you can generate a steady stream of passive income. The key to success on Etsy is to offer high-quality and appealing products that stand out from the competition. Additionally, providing excellent customer service and promoting your shop through social media and other channels can help drive more sales and increase your passive income potential. Website number 4 is YouTube. If you have a passion for creating videos and sharing your knowledge or entertainment with the world, YouTube can be an excellent platform to generate passive income. By monetizing your YouTube channel through Google AdSense, you can earn money from ads that are displayed on your videos. To maximize your earnings on YouTube, focus on creating engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency and quality are essential factors for growing your channel and attracting more subscribers. As your channel gains popularity, your passive income potential from YouTube increases. Website number 3 is Print on Demand, POD, services. POD platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble allow you to create custom designs for various products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. When a customer places an order with your design, the POD service prints and ships the product directly to the customer, taking care of all the logistics. With POD, you don't need to invest in inventory or worry about fulfillment, making it a convenient and low-risk way to generate passive income. Your focus should be on creating unique and appealing designs that resonate with your target audience. Marketing your products through social media, online communities, or even your own website can help drive sales and increase your passive income. Website number 2 is affiliate marketing through Amazon Associates. Amazon's affiliate program, known as Amazon Associates, allows you to promote products from the Amazon Marketplace and earn a commission on each sale generated through your unique affiliate links. To succeed with Amazon Associates, it's crucial to choose products that align with your niche or content and have a high potential for conversion. Create compelling content that includes affiliate links to products you genuinely believe in. Building a loyal audience and providing value through your recommendations can lead to a steady stream of passive income from affiliate commissions. Finally, website number 1 is creating and selling digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, online courses, software, templates, and graphics have a high potential for passive income generation. Once you create and launch a digital product, you can continue to sell it without the need for ongoing inventory or shipping. Focus on providing valuable and actionable content in your digital products that address the needs of your target audience. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and ClickBank can help you distribute and sell your digital products to a global audience, enabling you to earn passive income while you focus on other aspects of your business or create more products. Remember that building passive income streams takes time, effort, and consistency. It's essential to research and understand your target audience's needs and preferences and continuously improve your strategies to increase your passive income potential over time. I hope these 10 websites give you some great ideas to start generating passive income. As always, be patient, stay committed, and keep learning to grow your online income steadily. Good luck on your journey to financial freedom. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.